Okay, let's do another tutorial on Huggins. So this is a small little 2x2 Zentangle tile, and I am using Micron 01 pen. I think it's in brown, and I am just drawing orbs 4 across and 4 up and down. You can fill them in now, you can fill them in later. I mainly just want to show you again how you do it, and then you can see what I do with it at the end, which is a lot of the things that I teach in the Zoom classes. But I am live so frequently for free. So now you see all these lines. So you're going to take off and land from each orb, starting at the right or the left, but this is to the right. So I'm taking off and landing, okay? This is the time when I usually round my orbs a little bit more. And then now we're going to go the opposite side. So take off and land to the left. Make sure you breathe, relax your shoulders, don't hold your breath. Now take off and land to the right. Now, since I don't have a border, this is going to go off both edges. So this will go off to the left, and the top one will go, they'll just go in opposite directions based on whatever direction you went, okay? Make sure you're not holding your breath. Make sure you start it with gratitude, grateful for the pen, paper, everything else. Now we're going to mirror this, which means we're going to do that. So we're going to take off and land and mirror the tangle on the other side. So now this one mirroring would be on the outside, the next one will be on the inside, and so on. So again, starting with gratitude, grateful for the pen, paper, your life. Find things that you're grateful for. And then this is a good time to set intentions. So again, we're mirroring the other side. So the other side is on the outside, this one is on the inside. So we're going to take off and land, mirror the inside. And again, take off and land on the outside, breathe, don't hold your breath, unclench your jaw, make sure you're not gripping the pen too tight, and make sure you're not putting too much pressure on the paper. Because many times when I remind, we're going to go ahead and mirror this again, so it'll be on the outside, take off and land. Many times when I tell people not to hold their breath or remind them to breathe, when they breathe, they decide to go ahead and grip the pen tighter or push harder with the pen. So as you continue to learn this, for me, it's meditation, anxiety relief, stress relief, whatever you want to call it. And for some of you, it just may be creativity. That's fine. So we turn this 90 degrees, and we can see the one to the left has 2 tops, but it doesn't have that inside. Now, if you go to the right, you're going to cut through 2 lines, which you don't want to do. So it kind of guides you. And now you're going to go the opposite way, up off the page, take off and land. And now, if all your orbs line up, you should be able to go, back and forth. But still make sure that your other side lines up with that. So here we're going to take off and land. Now we're going to mirror again, which is on the outside, mirror, which is on the inside, mirror on the outside, take off and land, and then mirror on the inside. So now you'll just do this for the whole thing, okay? So you just do this till it's all completed. Once it's completed, I actually took another color of pen. I took the color black and I auraed the inside curves on all of them. I did them in one direction, then I turned the tile and did it in the other direction. And then I took kind of this brownish, orangish charcoal. And right where all these curves are, I put a little bit of this charcoal. And I do this throughout the whole thing. And then I use what's called a tortillon, which is wrapped paper. It's a blending tool that blends the graphite in. It starts to give this illusion that it's kind of like a basket weave, that some of the tangles are going the other one, under the other ones. So this is how you get Huggins. It's essentially hugging another one. Now I added lots of fun things that I normally do in the Zoom classes. So this is what my final outcome was today. I just know a lot of people had asked about Huggins. I do have several of these videos. You might have to scroll a ways back just on Huggins. So take a look and I'll see you on my next live. See you later, everybody.